Good afternoon. Today we're out at the Katy Trail doing some training run for the Des Moines Marathon, October 16th, 2022. We're going to start in Holt Summit today and run out west, putting in a long run today, and we'll see how it goes. Check back with you later. About 7/10 of a mile in, coming up on our bridge over Turkey Creek. Part of the old railroad system coming through central Missouri here. So we'll see that right up ahead. So here we come up on our sunflower field, about 2.5 miles in. We're into August, so it's downgrading a little bit, but still in pretty good shape. We got the highway here on our left, and sunflowers here on our right. Coming up on about 3 miles here. 3 miles almost perfectly underneath the 63 overpass, 63 highway that takes you up towards Columbia. Once we pass 63, it's gonna get a little quieter. We start losing our highway traffic, and then it's just trail and anyone out here with us. About 3 3/4 mile in, coming up on our next old railroad bridge, right up here ahead at Cedar Creek. See it feed out into the Missouri River there. A little past 4 1/4 mile here, and we're coming up on a Missouri River overlook. This is our actually a scenic spot on the way out, so we'll give you a good look at it. Pretty much the rest of the way we're just running on this chat trail between the wood lines. Nothing too special the rest of the way. Katy Trail is a long expressway though, so we got plenty of space, nice and flat. Closing in on 6 miles now. We got deer right next to the trail up ahead. I don't know if it's gonna stay there. Oh, just left. Didn't stay there. But that's 5th deer we've seen on this run. So plenty of wildlife out here for us. Getting close to our turnaround point. We're at about the Claysville marketplace. So we got that. Can't see very well through the trees and stuff on the side here. But we got a Claysville store there, across the bridge, and we're almost to our turnaround. And it is humid out. So we're just over halfway, taking a little break. Temperatures in the upper 80s. We got a little rain today, so the humidity is pretty high. If you're familiar with mid-Missouri weather, you know how that summer humidity is. We're about just over 7 miles out, so turn around, do the same thing over again. I'm not sure how much I'll tell you on the way back, just because we've already seen it all. So thank you. We're at 7:08 pace for those first 7 miles. I'll see you on the way back. So here we are on the way back, coming up on Claysville again. We'll see that Claysville store right after we cross the bridge right up here. We're about 10 miles in, taking a little break. It's humid as it can be out here. Slow down a little bit on this next segment. We're at about 7:12 pace for the total run, so a little bit slowly, but can't complain too much with this humidity. We're about to get back to it. See y'all in a bit. Back to Cedar Creek. Finished up our run, North Jefferson to Claysville on the Katy Trail. Pretty tough run out there today. The first 7 miles went pretty good. Came back, had to walk a couple times on the way back. Ended up 7:16 pace. First training run on this training plan over half marathon, so not too bad. long ways to go, about 2 months out from Des Moines. So looking forward to growing and improving on that. Hope everyone enjoys the ride. Have a great day.